Welcome back to all. Today we are going to learn about a random variable. A random variable can be defined as a type of variable whose value depends upon the numerical outcomes of a certain random phenomena. It is also known as a stochastic variable. Next, the random variable are always a real number as they are required to be measurable. Types of random variable. Random variables can be divided into two broad categories depending on the type of data available. These are given as follows. First one is a discrete random variable and second one is a continuous random variable. In generally, we have these two types of data. A probability mass function is used to describe a discrete random variable and a probability density function describes a continuous random variable. The upcoming section will cover these topics in detail, and this chart will shows the types of random variable. First one is a discrete random variable. A discrete random variable is a variable that can take on a finite number of distinct values. For example, the number of children in a family can be represented using a discrete random variable. So the number of children in a family is countable, no? So countable is defined as a discrete random variable. A probability distribution is used to determine what values a random variable can take and how often does it take on these values. Second one is a continuous random variable. A random variable that can take on an infinite number of possible values is known as a continuous random variable. Such a variable is defined over an interval of values rather than a specific value. An example of a continuous random variable is weight of a person. So weight of a person, it may increase or decrease, so it is not a specific, and it is the example of continuous random variable. The probability that a continuous random variable takes on an exact value is 0. Thus a probability density function is used to describe such a variable. Important notes on a random variable. A random variable is a variable that is used to denote the numerical outcomes of a random experiment. I already told about this. Next, discrete and continuous random variables are types of a random variables. A discrete random variable can take an exact value. Example are a binomial random variable and a Poisson